Yo guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about Hurricane Pamela. Yes, people thought that this was going to get to a major hurricane, and actually, it hasn't started its rapid intensification. Even if it starts its rapid intensification, it can't get to a major hurricane. Because it's only got until, let me guess, tomorrow before it makes landfall. And it'll be making landfall when I'm at school. So, yeah. But, this is the cone. Now, it could rapidly intensify, maybe become a category 2. But that's unlikely as the wind shear is on the system. And it's not really that good. To be honest with you. So anyway, it'll be a depression by Wednesday. So you see that rapid weakening. Is it 10 p.m.? It's 10 p.m. right? It's 10 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Or is it 10 a.m.? Yeah, no, it's 10 a.m. So 10 p.m. is when it's going to be making landfall. Well, 10 p.m. was when it will be here. 6 p.m. is when it will be here. 6 a.m. Thursday is when it's going to be a remnant low. Whether the NHC marks it and it reforms down on the coast, because before it was supposed to do this and go into the Atlantic, but then the cone shifted up north a bit, and then now it's going to be up there. I'm going to show you the models and I'm going to start imagery, and then I'm going to end the video here, guys, as I need to get my stuff ready for school tomorrow and all that. I will be editing tomorrow, though. I'll be editing tonight. But this tropical wave has a 10% chance of formation. 93L. No, 94L, I think. Yeah, 94L, isn't it? Yeah, it's 94L. The only 93L is an call it 93L is not gonna form because 93L is this system here. 93L did form an LOC, but didn't get designated. This yesterday was the system that was down here, disorganized. Its low-level central circulation was here. Clouds are here, and there was barely any clouds in the here. But now that it's moved over here. Since it's moved over here, it's produced an area of favor. It's in an area of favorable environment, which means now it should be able to intensify. And this bit here, this bit needs to join around to this bit and get that tropical characteristic look. Once it does that, I think they're probably going to name it Wonder. So, anyway, I'm going to show you the forecast models. This is the 12Z model one, I think. Yes, 12Z model one. Yep, they do form it by October. So it's the 12th. It's the 12th today. So they form it by October the 14th, this becomes wonder. Then a high pressure system ridge builds in. And we might get Adrian, because that's an invest there. But then if you have a look at this here, this potential vorticity here could be a system that came from the north here, and it could be going shooting back down south. Potentially, yes. You got a system in the Caribbean. Now that could become strong. 997. That's a tropical storm. That will be Adrian right there. Whether it becomes a major hurricane, we don't really know. It's uncertainty what it's going to do at the minute. But if the GFS keeps it like this, I honestly think, because the ridge is going to get back to the strong rate, which now any storms that do form will push it towards the US. So we'll have a strong high pressure ridge by 28th. So that'll be good in a sense. So yeah, I was going to show tropical. I'm going to show you the thingy for tropical storm Pamela. You do have tropical storm warnings out for the southern tip of Bay J, California. Hurricane warnings here, tropical storm warnings here. Tropical storm warnings here. We even got some tropical storm warnings here. So it's this system is definitely does not look like a hurricane. Like, I will show you on YouTube. I've got to turn it down. But if ever looking for 13's channel, obviously, so about this, guys, there's an ad. Yeah. I will turn the sound up a little bit, but I can't turn it up too much. You see, this is what it looks like right now. Just looks like a complete utter mess. As you can see here, this is what it actually looks like here. See, disorganized it is right now. So that's what I wanted to show you. So so anyway, guys, if you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video. Peace and have a great day.